Hey YouTube family and friends, welcome back to my channel for another video. So today I got an unboxing. If you want to see what I have, please stay tuned and keep watching. Alright guys, welcome back. Alright, here's my box. And this unboxing is from Mama's Truth. Yep, I got another one. So, I got my little screwdriver from hubby. I'm gonna open this up and show you guys what I ordered. Alright guys, let me show you how it looks. There it is. Alright, I got my Mama's Truth business card. And then I'm going to turn it to the back so you guys can get her Instagram and her email and the website so you guys can check out her products and check out her Instagram, and you see all about her uploads. Check it out, you guys. And then this is just my card for just to give an appreciation back for placing an order with her. And then I have my package slip. Okay. Oh, I forgot I ordered that one. Okay, let me show you guys what I ordered this time. Let's take out my blue stuffing. I mean blue. I mean pink. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. I reordered one of the items I ordered on my first order. So I'm going to show you guys that first. Oh, I like how she put this in the package. Okay, let me show you guys the first one. So I ordered this on my first order with her, and this is a pretty kitty. And this is the Yoni Scrub, Foamy Yoni Sugar Scrub. Oh my gosh, you guys. Let me show you my first one that I ordered. Alright, I'm going to show you. This is a new one. So you know it's brand new. Never been used. I had to order a second one. Look at my first one. Same thing, just like you know, same thing. It's a little faded because I got it wet in the shower. Bam. Look at this, guys. It's almost gone. Can you tell I love this stuff? It's almost gone, literally. So I had to order a second one because this stuff here is so good, you guys. I mean, it does exactly what it says it's going to do. I love using it before shaving. I actually, when I use it in the shower, I put it on there, let it foamed up and get soapy, and I use it as a shaving. I leave it on there and I shave with it. And you guys, I tell you, it has helped me so much. When I say so much, so much. I mean, it has reduced all of the ingrown hairs. It has reduced like inflammation and irritation. Like I haven't had it like I did before. This is a must. So I had to get me a new one. I had to reorder it to keep it on stock, on deck, you know. So yeah, that is one of the products I ordered before, and it's a great product. I had to order it again because I was running out. Okay, another item that I ordered on this order is, I'm sorry guys, is this new, she created a new line of products for the Yoni Care, and that's what I ordered. I had to order individual because she had like a gift packet, like a bundle, a bundle, and I missed out on the bundle, so I had to do mine as individual. So this one It came in this little package, which is so cute. And this is the Be Gentle Whipped Yoni Sugar Shrub. So this is also a sugar shrub, just like this one. But this one is for sensitive Yonis. So if you have a sensitive Yoni, she got a new line just for you guys who have sensitive Yonis. And I got this because I wanted to try it out, and mine can be sensitive too. So it could be either or. Like, it has a mind of its own sometimes. But this is also in the 4-ounce jar, and it came with this little stick. I don't know what happened to my stick for this, for the other one I have. Who knows what Dory took it and put it at. But let me open it up so you guys can see it. And I want to see if it has a smell. Oh, it's sealed. Okay, so let me take the seal off. Oh wow, this one is very different. Look at that. It smells good too. I think it's vanilla, right? Nope. It smells really, really good. I don't know why I think it smells like vanilla. What does it say? Let me look on the cap. No, it doesn't say. It's on the website though. It smells good. So I can't wait to try that out. So you know, this is one of the sensitive products that she just created. Hold on. Alright guys, I'm back. So another item from the sensitive line that I ordered is this. And look how it's packaged, you guys. So pretty. Alright, let me get the packaging off so you guys can see it. And it just says, "Thank you for supporting my business." That's what the little sticker says. So pretty. Alright, let's show you guys how the product look. And it says, "Be Gentle Sensitive Natural Yoni Wash. Helps to eliminate odor, balance pH, restore moisture, fight off infections, and smooth irritation." And that's how it looks. I love the packaging. I love the color. That was one of the things that got me when I saw it on her Instagram page. But also when she used it in one of her Instagram stories. It foams up so good, you guys. I mean, when I say it foams up so good, I was like, oh, I got to try that. That looks nice. That looks nice. Let me see if I can smell it. I don't know what the smell is, but it just smells very clean. It smells really clean. I cannot wait to try this. I can't wait to try it. Okay, let me show you guys my first Yoni wash I bought for my first order. I just shook it up. But, hold on, let it settle. You guys see how much I use? It's right here. Right there, you guys. From all the way up here is right here. Now, this is another one that I truly love. This one is called Sweet Thing Natural Yoni Wash. And I tell you guys, this Yoni Wash has made a big difference for me. When I say it helps with odor, it helps with odor. When I say it helps with refreshing, yes, it does refresh. Keeping it clean, it does that too. And also with restoring the pH balance, I really think it has restored my pH balance. This Yoni Wash is really good. This one is not the sensitive one. This is the new line that she created that's for the sensitive Yonis. So if you cannot, if your Yoni you know is very, very sensitive, this would be the one for you to buy, to Be Gentle. But if you can use just about anything, you don't have any irritations and stuff like that, and you're not really sensitive down below, try out the Sweet Thing. Because this right here, I have tried out this one, and it didn't cause me any irritations or anything. And it does help. It does help. It does. I really like it. You can tell by how much I use it. And the other one. Alright, so the last item of the sensitive line is in this pretty packaging. I'm about to open it before I even I'm about to open the packaging without even showing you guys how she packaged it. And I got a little stick in here, and this goes for the sugar shrub, which is the pretty kitty. That goes for that. Or you can use it for the oil too. Either way. And this one is Mama's Truth Be Gentle Natural Yoni Oil. There it is. Isn't that gorgeous? Gorgeous. I love the packaging. That purple lavender color, white and gold. How pretty is that? So yes, this is the Be Gentle Yoni Oil for sensitive yonis. And I cannot wait to try it. Can't wait to try it. Now let me tell you about the first Yoni oil I got. And that one is the Juice Yoni Gel. This right here, look how much I use, you guys. This here, I love it. It's a must. It's a must. When I tell you, you guys, it's a must. I tell you, I put it on there after using my sugar scrub. Hold on. Sorry about my finger. Using my sugar scrub, using my Yoni wash. Then I use this after I get the shower. I put it all over there. And this right here, it like it just gave me, like, feel like a starburst, like a brightening, clean feel. It's so good with helping with keeping down the irritation. And even let me give you an example. I had shaved the inner part of my thigh, and you guys, I have some thighs, so my thighs kind of rub together when I walk, and so they rub together when I walk, and then I started having irritation from it because I had just shaved, went to work that night, and didn't put forgot to put on my Yoni oil. So I went to work walking all night, because that's what I do. I walk all night, so I'm just rubbing my thighs are literally rubbing. So by the time I got home in the morning, I had irritation starting. So I took a shower, I used my sugar scrub, I used my Yoni wash, and I used my Yoni oil. And I put it on my Yoni, and I also put it on my inner thigh. When I tell you, you guys, the inflammation went down, and it helped. Did it help? Oh my goodness, it did. It really, really did. I also used my my Yoni toner as well. I'm gonna show you that as well. Give me 1 second to get it. Alright, this is a Yoni toner I had purchased on my first order. It's a Delicate Flower Natural Yoni toner. And you guys, I love this stuff. I love it. That's how much I use. And it doesn't go down quickly. Not at all. And I did have one problem with the bottle, which is the sprayer. And she reached out to me, the owner of the business reached out to me, and she told me that she's going to make a little bit changes to how she does her bottles, because she believes it's the rose petals that's inside of it that's clogging up the little sprayer. So at one point it stopped spraying, so I had to switch my nozzles, and one of them I had to like pour into another container, which is fine with me because the product is the bomb. It's not about the jar, it's about the product inside the jar. It is the bomb. And this right here, I'm telling you, I used my scrub, I used my Pretty Kitty, then I used my Sweet Thing Yoni wash, and then when I got out of the shower, pat dry it down, I used my Yoni toner on my Yoni in the inner thigh, and then I used my oil. And when I tell you, you guys, it helped me. It helped me. I love these 4 products. They are the bomb. The bomb. The bomb. But yes, I really enjoy these products. I'm not being, this is not, what do you call it? Oh my God, it just went right out of my head. This is my own review, my own personal review. All these products I purchased on my own. It's my true review. The products I love. You can also go onto a website and you'll probably see my review on there with some of the products. I have not put my review on all of them, but I think I did these 4. So go ahead and check out her website and look at the reviews, because the reviews, you guys, will tell you so much. You know, some reviews, people just like to hype stuff up, but I'm telling you, these guys are my honest reviews. These products are really, really good. And I'm so happy to support this small business because she's doing her thing, you guys. And she's creating some new products, and I cannot wait to try some more. So let me show you another one that I ordered from her product line. And it's in this packaging. And this one is called... Okay. Okay. This one is called Honey Chow Natural Body Wash. Hold on, baby. It says helps to smooth irritation, decrease itchy skin, and calm inflammation and fight off infections. Gently shake before use. And this natural body wash you can also use on children. So that's why I got it. I wanted to try it out on my kids and see how their body likes it and what I think about it. So definitely, because my children, a lot of them have eczema issues. They have had it since they was newborn babies, but it has cleared up so much. But every now and then they get very, very excessively dry skin, especially my son Philip and Osmond. Sorry about that, you guys. That's Dory. Especially Philip and Osmond. Philip, his skin will get so dry that he will be itching everywhere. I mean, his whole body be itching everywhere just because his skin is very dry. Thank you. Stop touching. That's Dory, you guys. Come on, come over here. Come this way so they can see I'm not talking to myself. Come up here. Come up here. Say hi. Come on up here. So, Philip has very, very dry skin. So, if I don't oil or lotion his skin properly, he will be itching like crazy. It is plenty of times he has been to school and his teacher will call me saying, Miss Simon, Philip is itching again. And I will have to go to the school with his routine of these. I have these certain wipes that I like to buy, but I haven't been able to buy them because it's hard to get them. And I will wipe him down with those wipes, and then I will like lotion his skin up, and he will be good to go. Look at her helping herself. So yes, I definitely. Oh, say hi, Dory.
Hi.
See, guys, I wasn't talking to myself. So I definitely wanted to try this on my kid's skin and see how this product is. So it's called Honey Chow. Honey Chow. And I think that is everything I ordered. Yep, that's everything. Everything. So I got the Be Gentle line here. Be gentle with that, Yanni. And then I got me another Pretty Kitty Scrub. And then the Honey Chow body wash, natural body wash. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment down below and let me know, have you tried any of these products? Are you interested in trying any of these products? And if you do, oh my gosh, she's choking me. Let go. You can't do that on camera. If you do try any of the products, leave me a comment and let me know what you think about the products. So, if you are watching this video and you're not subscribed to the channel, what you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And then leave me a comment and let me know that you are newly subscribed to the channel, that you are part of the family. And if you are throwing out good here on YouTube, with your videos, not throwing them out like throwing, but if you are sending out good in your videos, I will be more than happy to come back and follow and support you guys. Alright, so thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Oh, good timing, babe. So what do you think? Give them your realest opinion. Since me using these products, what is your opinion about them? Do you think they're helping me?
Honest opinion?
Yes, honest opinion, nothing but the truth. So help you God.
They're pretty good. They help a lot. A lot.
Okay, so he ain't gonna get specific, you guys. Just know it. They're good products.
They are. It makes your man happy.
Oh my gosh. Okay, that's too much. Too much.
No, that's all I had to say. That's all I had to say.
Alright, guys. Let me just hush him up. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.
But